Unpacking Idioms, beating a dead horse. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting idiom that you might have heard in conversations or read in books. Beating a dead horse. It's a phrase that's not only vivid in imagery but also rich in meaning. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a useful expression in English communication. Beating a dead horse is an idiom that describes a particular type of futile action, one where someone continues to pursue or argue a point that has already been resolved, concluded, or deemed irrelevant. The imagery is graphic and somewhat morbid. If a horse is already dead, continuing to beat it won't change the outcome. It's an effort that yields no results and serves no purpose. While the exact origins of beating a dead horse are somewhat murky, it's widely agreed that the phrase became popular in the 19th century. It is thought to illustrate the pointlessness of certain tasks or arguments, using the stark and impactful imagery of a deceased horse to underline the uselessness of certain efforts. This idiom reflects a common human behavior, persisting in actions or discussions that will not alter the situation or outcome. In English, this idiom is often used to advise someone against wasting time on matters that have already been settled or to highlight the inefficacy of continuing a particular course of action. For instance, in a meeting, I think we're just beating a dead horse at this point. We've already decided on the marketing strategy for next quarter. In a debate, arguing about this now is like beating a dead horse. The decision was made last year. It can be used in both formal and informal settings, but considering its vivid imagery, the context and audience's sensitivity should guide its use. There are other idioms with similar meanings that you might find useful. Flogging a dead horse, a variation more common in British English. Kicking a dead dog, less common, but similarly implies a wasteful effort on something already concluded or beyond change. Understanding these variations can help enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension, especially in recognizing the nuance and context in which different idioms are used. Beating a dead horse is a powerful idiom that vividly conveys the futility of certain actions or discussions. Like many idioms in the English language, it serves as a linguistic shortcut to express a complex idea succinctly. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the idiom confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, idioms can add color and depth to your language skills, so don't shy away from embracing them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.